Welcome back to Enlightened Trading. My name is Conrad, and well, I have another update on Bitcoin today. So, starting things off, I posted this chart on TradingView. I have been active on my TradingView account, Enlightened Trading, and I hope you check it out. Definitely worth it in my opinion. And here it is. Posted what these lines mean, what I'm looking at, what I have been looking at, how it has been playing out, and I linked my other two ideas, which I posted too. So, to elaborate on the meaning of these lines, and I can show you this too on the bigger time frames shortly. Of course, the red line basically is the descending triangle we are currently in, and yes, we do have higher lows. Yet our upper trend line of resistance or our higher lows are much more far away from our high than our lows are from our initial lowest low. And that is easy. I mean, it is obvious by basic viewing of this chart, but the price now is 13% from the highs and 3% from the, not even 0.6% from the lows. So there is a drastic difference, 5x difference. I think, basically. And yeah, so that has a very bearish connotation to it. And so, yeah, the red is a descending triangle. The purple one is our symmetrical triangle bottom support line, also coinciding with the 200-day EMA. So that is of importance. That we are still holding it, and we actually have retested it now too. And just a basic white resistance line on the top to form our symmetrical triangle. And the yellow one is resembling the 100-day EMA. And that basically means that price is getting squeezed between the 200 and 100 EMA on a daily time frame, and that is also of very important, or of high importance, since it indicates important or a big move to either side. And on the smaller time frame, of course, the bearish or the short side is more likely. So that is this chart explained, and just to view it on Bitstamp. What has been important, and I mentioned this also on my TradingView, that was that here. If it pulls up, basically I described the small pennant or this ascending triangle with a small pennant forming right here, to indicate maybe a short rally to the upside with a retest of recent support, of recent resistance around 94 to 95k. And you can see what played out was basically that it rallied, took out shorts, retested support, came back up, formed a double top, and then bears got the upper hand again and dumped the price. And that is also what I mentioned here, is that a careful this pennant or ascending triangle could kill shorts short term, and that basically is what played out. So coming back to my Bitstamp chart, here, right here, there it is, these two pennants which formed, and now I can delete these lines again. We had this upper support line which broke and then sharply dropped the price, and we are now looking for it's on 50 minutes like that. Yeah, we could already say that we have a retest. On the 5 minute, price is still acting quite bearish. We had a consolidation, a retest of support, and an upswing, and a drop again even to lower lows, and then again a rally, but even a drop again. So this is playing out like a bear flag on 50 minute and 1 hour chart, and I'm currently in short positions. This trend line also was of significance, as you can see in the past, and I already mentioned this in one of my latest videos. That was a very important resistance and support, and it broke again, and we are now under, actually interestingly on a 12-hour chart we are already under it, but on the 4-hour we are still retesting. So kind of neutral, because if you look at the daily chart, it's still rather contained. The consolidation we now have a lower high around 9,400 on Bitstamp, and you can see the declining volume even on this short-term bull move, which has me looking bearish too. So yeah, you could still say this is a bullish formation, a bull flag after a big bull rally, and that would be that would have some truth. Yeah, of course. Yet I don't like that on a short term. We are seeing this choppy and bottom-ish formation. Yeah, so kind of neutral on the bigger time frames, but yeah, neutral with definitely a lean to the short side, which has me looking short term on the small time frames. And I also said that this triangle, this descending triangle on the 1 hour and the 4 hour will most likely break rather soon. And I think I drew it like that back in the day, like 3 or 2 days ago. And that, and I said it was unlikely to break to the upside. Yet broke to the upside, retested of some, maybe you could say it retested it. Yet what I said, what would most likely happen if a retest will play out is that we will retest this trend line and then slowly come back up or fade away and see another dump. So even if this trend line would get broken or would be broken, price is most likely not responding too nicely. And what also is a scenario which would have some possibility of playing out is that this is a bigger ascending triangle with our purple line right here, but we will still need multiple retests of this line and on the bottom to confirm this. But for now, it has me looking bearish and to the downside. Yeah, I think on 50 minute we could still get a short up rally to resistance before dumping in again, and I have some short positions which I will enter on the way up. So yeah, just emphasizing what I already said. Actually, this is now playing out longer than expected. We are now a week after this bull rally in this consolidation. Yeah, I think, this coming week it will most likely break. I think there is a 80%, 90% probability of it breaking to some extent where we can say in which direction this will play out. And just what I said that I will show you is right here. The 100 day EMA and the 200 day EMA are now squeezing the price between them. Also with this top resistance line and this resistance line all going to clutter around this area, also with support of the 50 and 21 daily moving average. All are now happening right here. So there's a very big clutter of support and resistance, which is very tricky to trade, definitely. And yeah, weekly 21 day moving out, or 21 week moving average actually acting as resistance. So that is important. 100 week is now broken to the upside and will most likely also act as support. So yeah, basically what I said. Okay, so I guess that's it for our weekend update on Sunday. And yeah, hope you check out my TradingView. I will look to update it on a regular basis. Also, you can check out my Twitter, which posts under, which I will post now below my YouTube videos too. And there it is. Yeah. Hope you have a great weekend, or hope you had a great weekend, and hope you have a nice rest of it, and then chilled Sunday, basically. Yeah. See you guys, you girls, and you people back next time. Bye.